Hey, I'm Justin.
And I'm Scott.
And guess what?
We live in for love, love.
Lovers of life, we are here in Las Vegas at the Sahara. Yes, I said the Sahara. Inside the Casbah.
We decided we wanted to stop in and have some craft cocktails, and we really love the vibe. The decor is on point. They have like this more secluded area where we're filming right now, which has like books everywhere, cute like nooks. Yeah, I love this area.
Yeah, it's
This
like a little.
is
It's
cool.
like a library.
Uh-huh.
Did you say library?
No, I said lots of books.
Oh, I'm surprised you didn't say library.
It's like a very decorative library.
It's a library with 2 TVs in it, but
playing
it's
sports, which is never the case.
I know, it's interesting. But you know what, the game's on, and because of the times we're in, bars are limited.
But other decor elements that are really engaging, I noticed that they have a live piano, so that isn't going right now, but I'm sure that they have that going quite often, and that seems like it'd be a lot of fun.
It's on
It's on
point.
point.
It's clean. Oh, it's on point. It's clean.
Get it? It's clean.
I don't. What
That's
was the
funny.
joke? So what we're gonna do is take a look at that menu for those drinks, and yes, we are here during happy hour.
Right? We're dressed down because of that.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
the drinks are, like the craft drinks are half off.
Yes, so we need
So-
to figure it out fast before happy hour ends. All right, life lovers, we looked at that menu, decided exactly what we wanted, and what'd you get?
I decided to go with the Vesper.
The Vesper.
It has
PEA
strong
air.
Yes. Strong hair elements.
Oh.
I'm understanding.
Because it's a Vesper.
Hair. Get it?
And I have a cucumber cooler. And so they had to make an alteration. It usually comes with apple puree, but they only had pineapple puree. So here we go.
Might be more refreshing.
Cheers.
Who knows? Whoa. Ooh. Ooh.
Took his breath away. Took
That-
his breath away.
That is a strong drink. I took it a little bit more like it was the cucumber cooler.
Ooh.
And it's a little bit more of a sipper. That's delish. Elements of sweetness, cutting it down. It does remind me quite a bit of an old fashioned. So if you like those, give this a shot.
Oh, nice. I would love that then. Old fashioned with pear.
It might be a little too sweet for you.
Oh, okay.
Just a hint too sweet.
I see.
But it's definitely in the family.
Yeah. This one,
Ooh.
I can see how it was meant to have an apple puree in it. There is some sort of bitterness. Not
Huh.
bad. I could imagine how much better it would be with the apple
Yeah.
puree. We're gonna do something different.
Oh, well, you know I'm not gonna like this. Folks, I don't like cucumber, so.
Yes, this is definitely more my. I usually end up with the sippers. You notice that?
I like it. Actually,
You want to switch?
yeah, sure. I'm
Okay.
down.
Cheers.
I do like my, soft drinks.
Yeah, and I like a punch in the face.
And I don't like cucumber. So the fact that I like this, there's a very few places that have pulled off cucumber drinks that I adore, and this is one of them. This is one of them. So for the 2% of the audience that also hates cucumbers, because it's literally no one hates cucumbers. It's a nonsense. Like nobody hates it like I do.
Yeah.
I've only met one person who hates it the way that I do.
Uh-huh.
This one passes the 2% test.
Right? It must be, I think it's the acidity of the pineapple.
Yep. It probably, the original wouldn't quite engage me in this way. The acidity definitely brings something special to it for me.
Yeah.
So, fair warning, more cucumbery and softer if they do the apple puree.
Yeah.
But the pineapple puree brings a little bit more of that acid to it, a little bit more of that tart.
And I'm like, I'll pass.
And overpowers the cucumber, evidently.
Yeah, and I love cucumber. I'm probably one of the few that actually loves that, what is it? Cucumber melon Gatorade. And yeah, they even had memes about that. In a negative way, but I loved it.
Lord have mercy.
So anyway, lovers of life, we are going to continue enjoying our drinks. If you are enjoying this video, hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click that notification bell
Ding dong.
to stay in the loop with all of our future adventures.
And also be sure to add us on Instagram at We Livin' for Love.
All right, see ya at the next bar.
Cheers. What the fuck was that?
Art.